You're listening to the 10 Bagger Podcast, presented by The Daily Gold. Join us as we uncover tomorrow's 10 baggers today. And now here's your host, Jordan Roy-Byrne.
Welcome back to the 10 Bagger Podcast. And today I am recording a solo commentary. This is episode number 27. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now, the recent sharp decline in gold and silver stocks presents a great opportunity for those of us seeking 10 baggers. The good thing about lower prices in this context is you can take a little less risk to achieve a 10 bagger. Companies with 7 or 8 bagger potential previously now have 10 bagger potential, provided the fundamentals and the company's ability to generate value did not decrease in the recent months. Where should we look for these stocks and opportunities? In my experience, I've had the most success in 10 bagger returns with growth-oriented producers and optionality or exploration companies in the silver space. In short, I'm looking at developers and producers in the gold space with strong production growth potential. In silver, I'm looking at exploration companies and optionality plays. With respect to these gold companies, I assess their potential at $3,000 or $4,000 gold in 2 to 3 years. I then estimate potential cash flows and valuations, and I always factor in a decent amount of cost inflation each year. As far as how to value silver optionality plays and silver exploration companies, take a look at my video published on April 8th, How to Find 10 Bagger Silver Stocks. When silver was trading at $28 to $30, there was a clear valuation for high-grade and low-grade ounces. We are talking about silver ounces, not silver equivalent ounces. 2 weeks ago, I published a premium update listing my top 10 bagger potential stocks. And last week, I published an update with a few paragraphs on each explaining why and how it has 10 bagger potential. 5 of my top 8 10 bagger companies are part of my top 10 overall company list, and 7 of the top 10 bagger companies are part of my overall top 10 company list. Right now, you don't need to gamble on drill holes or penny juniors to spot 10 bagger opportunities. Look for value and look for companies that can generate significant value at the current gold price. Finally, consider how much value they can generate at 3,000 gold or 4,000 gold in 2 to 3 years. The same goes for silver companies at $50 silver. Normally, when we look for 10 baggers and those opportunities, we look for cheap first and then value later. Now is the time to look for value. Bolster your portfolio by buying value and removing cheap securities with little value and not enough potential. Right now, look for value because there is excellent value that also happens to be cheap.
Thank you for listening to the 10 Bagger Podcast, presented by The Daily Gold. For premium coverage of precious metals and the best junior mining companies, visit thedailygold.com/premium.